the final products B and C in the following reaction. Here the given one is aldehyde. Aldehyde undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction with Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis to give alcohol. The formed alcohol on heating gives alkene. So A is alkene. After the formation of alkene, it undergoes ozonolysis. On reaction with ozone followed by zinc acetic acid, it undergoes ozonolysis. During the ozonolysis, we can get carbonyl compounds. So B and C both are carbonyl compounds. Maybe aldehydes, ketones, or both aldehyde and ketone. That we don't know. We have to find out what are B and C. Let us take the given compound. This is the compound given to us. 2-methyl propanol is given to us. When it is reacted with methyl magnesium bromide, methyl becomes carbanion, attacks at electrophilic carbonyl carbon, pi electron pair is shifted onto O. We can get O minus, H already there, newly CH3 is attached. O minus attracts MgBr plus. So this is salt-like addition product. After the formation of salt-like addition product, subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of acid, then salt undergoes acidification. It takes H plus and becomes alcohol. So the formed alcohol is 2-degree alcohol. This is 2-degree alcohol. After the formation of 2-degree alcohol, the substance is heated. On heating, OH from alpha carbon, H from beta carbon, both are removed in the form of H2O. Dehydration takes place. After the dehydration, we can get double bond between alpha and beta carbons. CH3 already there, H already there at the carbon, and at another vinylic carbon there are 2 CH3s. So this is the compound A. After obtaining A, that is alkene, subjected to ozonolysis, addition of ozone followed by decomposition by using zinc acetic acid. So during the ozonolysis, what happens? Again, mechanism is there. No need to take total mechanism. We should know how to guess, how to predict the products during the ozonolysis. Prediction of ozonolysis products are very easy. Just you break the CC double bond. After breaking CC double bond, you keep one oxygen at that carbon and attach with double bond. So this is the above part. Then below part, there are 2 CH3 groups attached to doubly bonded carbon. So since doubly bonded carbon loses 2 bonds, you write oxygen and keep oxygen on the carbon with double bond. So after breaking double bond, attach oxygen to the doubly bonded carbon through double bond, we can get carbonyl compound. So in this reaction, one is acetaldehyde, other one is acetone. So acetaldehyde in bond line model can be represented like this. This is acetaldehyde. The representation of acetone bond line model, this is acetone. So now the ozonolysis products, one is acetaldehyde, other one is acetone. Check the correct options. B and C are nothing but acetone and acetaldehyde. C is the correct answer.